Denver is seeing fewer drug overdoses, and committee members heard about the Neighborhood Planning Initiative. Here's what happened this week on The Gavel, your weekly Denver City Council wrap-up. Denver is seeing a lower rate of drug overdoses. On Wednesday, the Safety Committee heard a briefing from the Department of Public Health and Environment on overdose statistics for the year. Although results are still preliminary, fatal and non-fatal overdoses are down from prior years.
We know that there's been a decline nationally. I think there's a lot of hypothesis out there that the drug supply is maybe changing slightly, that is slightly less lethal, but it's still lethal. I mean, obviously, the numbers are still high. And so the message from us is business as usual. We still need to address the issue.
Fentanyl is the drug most frequently linked to problems identified by authorities. People aged 25 to 44 years old are most likely to overdose, and the majority of people who overdose are housed. In response, the Department of Public Health has implemented multiple programs to address the problem. It is trying to improve access to care, distribute overdose prevention kits, and is improving access to mental health and drug treatment centers. Community Planning and Development, or CPD, is giving more voice to neighborhood residents. On Tuesday, the Land Use Committee heard a presentation on the Neighborhood Planning Initiative. The planning helps individual neighborhoods address specific issues and goals to make it easier for residents to take action. CPD wants to expand its outreach for more engagement throughout the city. This should result in quicker processes, with plans ready to go within 18 months by combining planning phases and hiring consultants to help. CPD is reaching out to community members for feedback on plans in each stage so that they can have a say on the future of the place where they live.
We felt like we've gotten really good engagement so far. There's still more folks we need to talk to. It's not perfect so far. That's always the way these processes go. We're always refining how we're engaging throughout the process to reach groups that we don't reach at the beginning, but we think this is a really good start for how we've kicked off the engagement.
You can find links to City Council meetings, schedules, agendas, events, and news at denvergov.org/citycouncil. Denver City Council meets every Monday at 3:30 at the City and County Building Council Chambers, or tune in live on Denver 8 or Zoom. Be sure to follow us on X, Facebook, and YouTube for Denver news, events, and information.